Hey, what's going on, everybody, and welcome to a Smart Investor channel. So today I'll be talking about the no other than Tesla following its inclusion on Friday. But most importantly, guys, I'm here to talk about this Monday, which is going to be a golden opportunity for a lot of us and the rest of the week. I'm a long-term investor in Tesla. I do hold shares, and I do want to add more shares to this great stock. Is going to do phenomenal next upcoming year. So I'll share with you my thoughts this stock, but also my technical analysis of the stock, followed by my strategic play. And listen, guys, write me below if you do have Tesla shares and if you're planning to sell them or hold them on this golden day of Monday. Now, for those new to the channel, I'm a corporate professional, stock investor, real estate investor, and a passionate PC gamer. I also do YouTube videos to share my knowledge and personal thoughts with guys like yourselves. That being said, please smash that like button if you like the content today, and also subscribe now and hit that bell notification. Guys, it really supports me and the channel so I can continue to do this. It takes a lot of time, so I fairly appreciate your support on this. Now, let's get right to it. All right, guys, before we go to the charts, I want to share great news with you guys on Tesla, and this is going to be amazing, especially if you're already a shareholder. First of all, by the way, my prediction on my last videos on Tesla was $650 by the end of this year, and obviously, guys, I got really happy when this exceeded my expectations. I did not foresee all the way to 695 on the day of 18th of December. That was really faster than I thought. Craziness just hit all charts, that's for sure. So let's start with the first news, guys. So Tesla, big chance, like I said, golden opportunity on this Monday. Why? And this is what I'm going to explain to you guys, okay? All the funds, the firms that need to fund through the S&P 500 to their portfolios, they have until Monday. So on Monday, they will have to do a whole number of $80 billion worth of shares transactions to make sure that they include Tesla into their portfolios. So think about all those funds managers, right? That they have Apple, Amazon, and so on and so forth. They will need to toss over other shares to include Tesla in it. And that's worth $80 billion worth of shares. So that right now they don't have those shares, right? So they need to buy it from you and me. That means our job is to raise the price as much as we can, 750, 800, you name it, so they can pay the premium for it. And that would be so awesome. Can you imagine that? We have the whole control and power on Monday to decide not to sell until we're satisfied with the price or not sell at all. This is historical moment, guys. That's why I call it the golden opportunity. So that's what I had to say about that. It's very important, guys. It's a once in a lifetime, maybe in this occasion for Tesla. It's huge. So definitely expect that on Monday for sure. The second news I wanted to talk to you guys about, it's the credit rating boost they had. So this is amazing, guys. Tesla got an upgrade on investments and for loans, right? They went from BB minus to BB. So this is definitely good. It's positive. It's always a good thing when the banks and the financial institutions are considering that your financial risk is lower. Then this is great, always for evaluation purposes and loans. And you know they got massive cash at this point, right? With the massive surge. So Tesla is in an amazing position, guys. We're gonna do extremely well next year. All right, guys. So let's do the charts. But before I do so, I just wanted to give you a preview of the revenues, just to give you an idea of how much they've grown so far. In 2017, they were 8.5 billions in revenues. In 2020, the estimate is to be increased to 30.9, so basically $31 billion. Next year end, they expect to have been doing $45.5 billion, guys. So the growth is just amazing. And the amazing thing about Tesla, it's not just an electric car thing, it's an autopilot, it's a solar, it's an insurance business. It's gonna do phenomenal, guys, okay? My prediction, I already achieved it this year. It was $650. It's at $695, as you can see right here. It already hit that. I think it's gonna even go further on Monday, but let's see. And I think, and this is my prediction, guys, Tesla can quadruple, to my personal opinion, guys. When we look at the numbers, financials, the growth expectations, and different sectors that you should be leading, I think they could hit the between 2,000 and 3,000 per share. It would be worth by year 2025. I do believe they can quadruple, if not actually even go 5x. So this is an amazing company, guys. What I see is nothing but beautiful things. I think people are going to be willing to pay that premium to constantly look into the future visionary of Elon Musk. So definitely I'm all in on Tesla. I'm really, really bullish on it. So that being said, let's look at the charts. So what should we be looking on Monday? So Monday, guys, there's two scenarios possible. Okay, one, it's going to continue to skyrocket and will reach $700 per share all the way to $750. That's my expectation if it is positive and if it's bullish and if it goes beyond my expectations. If it goes crazier than that, you know what? The sky is the limit. Who knows? But if it doesn't, and most people sold their shares actually on Friday and let's say on Monday pre-market, then you know this will fluctuate anywhere between what it's currently at, which is 650 to 700 more or less, right? So that's what I expect to this to happen. It's going to depend a lot on what you and I do as retail investors. Do we sell or do we keep our shares? Okay. That being said, this is a crucial opportunity, guys. Okay. There's going to be a lot of volatility on this. There's going to be high volumes of people buying and selling. So this is the support levels you should be watching. Okay. It hit 695 all times high for Tesla. And by the way, it was mainly at 670 and 80 on Friday when it was closing post market. Okay. Now, if this falls, where should we buy in if we're interested by this stock or if you're already an investor or not? What I'm going to personally be watching, my first buy zone, it's a very small amount, by the way, would be at $600. Okay. That would be my first buy-in. My second buy-in would definitely be at $550. Definitely, I will be adding shares to this stock. If by some miracle it decides to actually be very volatile, I'm not expecting this to happen, by the way, on Monday, but let's say throughout the next few weeks, then I will definitely be watching between $500 and $550. Okay, this is definitely, guys, this is a significant buy zone. Okay, forget about the 300 level. Okay, I don't expect to see this ever again unless they split stock. But if they do, I will definitely, sell my other real estates and buy like full all in on Tesla for sure. But yeah, I don't expect that to happen. This is definitely my buy zone, crucial one. And if it falls below that, then definitely $450 would be the last level that I would see. But this is very unlikely. But if this does hit there, it's a no-brainer for me. It's a big buy. And I would put a lot of money into this, okay? But more realistically speaking, between 500 and 550, this is a great opportunity, guys. Definitely a great opportunity because afterwards, forget about it. The sales that these guys are going to do, they're going to be exploiting a lot of other sectors, going to be booming. They're going to be leaders in this sector. So we're not going to see these prices again for sure. Okay, guys. So that being said, these are my thoughts. These are my buy-ins. Tesla is going to do great. NIO Day is coming up on January 5th, so it's coming very soon. There's going to be a lot of hype in the EV sector again, so I believe Tesla will do extremely well as well. So that being said, let me know your thoughts. What are you doing? What other stocks in the EV sector are you bought in? Xpeng, NIO, you name it. Let me know your comments below. And also, I would like to ask you, what are your top 3 stocks that you're looking into and that you'd like me to cover too? So I'd like to know your top 3 stocks as well. Leave them in the comments below. So that being said, have an amazing weekend, guys, and I'll see you next time. Thank you very much for watching. Peace out.